boy, I am trying to go Mark, and today I'm playing Happy Wheels. Yeah, right, Happy Wheels. This is one of the best games I play online, and creepiest. I'm playing I think, yeah, obstacle code right now, and let's see what happens. I'm on there, yeah, I'm there. Oh, that's easy, yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, okay. My helmet. Oh, no, I didn't know. What the? Oh, it's okay. I'll play again. No problem. Go. Oh, sorry, son. It's okay, Daddy. Go. It's easy. Yeah, I know. Go. Come on. What does it do? That's the guy. Yeah! Oh! It's a blade or something. Oh, look at mine. So beautiful. Mine sounds beautiful like face of Einstein. Okay. Son! I'll come back to take it. Don't be afraid. I'm coming, son. I'm coming. Oh! Sorry, man. You're not in this way. Oh, that's my hand. There's an item. Everywhere. Okay, I'm there again. I am in there together. Okay, this is W or O? Yeah, man. Okay, level completed. Advanced. Booyah! Okay, like, subscribe, share, etc. Please do. Please, yeah.